Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, did this analysis on Thursday. I want to get some things updated here as we have that much more confirmation. And in order to really kind of just apply the KISS method here, keep it simple, stupid, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that line there because I just don't want to have lines and clutter all over the place. And in my mind, there's really three key levels to watch moving forward. And the first key level is just, I'm going to make an adjustment here and bring that down right to the $130 mark. And I'm just trying to split the difference because I do realize that the price has, technically speaking, gone up above that level a couple of times. But there's also been some instances where the price hasn't quite hit that level. So like I said, just trying to find a middle ground there at 130. And none of this is some sort of special discovery on my part. I don't want to come across like this is some sort of unique ability. I assure you, people that use charts and understand charts have taken notice of this 130 range. And I emphasize all that because when a lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic movement. So while nothing is guaranteed, my point here is that it is a more than plausible thought. It's rational to think that if the price were to work its way up to 130 and get a break up through there, that break of 130 in and of itself could create quite a bit of an upside buying pressure. Again, not guaranteed to happen, but a more than valid thought to be having. The exact opposite is true for down here at the 115 mark. Again, I've talked about that in past videos, but that's going to be an area of support where if the price were to come down to this area, bounce around and then break to the downside, that breaking of $115 could very well create that much more buying pressure and very realistically take it down to that secondary support down there at 105. Again, nothing is guaranteed to happen, but it's all about trying to make, rational decisions, trying to make plausible, conclusions to things. And when you keep an eye on these technical levels, there's going to be just so many other people watching these levels that you can start to form some, logical trade plans around those. So let's see how this one continues to play out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover three keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.